Hey there folks, and welcome to the Legion of Anglers. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you three things. First, how to register for a tournament in Fishing Chaos. Second, how to get your identifier code for that tournament. And third, how to submit a catch within Fishing Chaos. So first things first, what you need to do is go to the App Store and download the Fishing Chaos app. After you've done that, you'll be brought to the home screen. On the home screen, the top left is a menu button. When you click on that menu button, you'll see that one of the options is to go to the tournaments page. Since the first thing we have to do is find the tournament we want to register for, go ahead and click on Tournaments. Now once I've done that, I'll go to the search bar and type in whatever's pertinent for that tournament. In this case, I'm going to type in Snake because I'm looking for a snakehead tournament. And specifically what I'm looking for is the KBF August Challenge. So what I've done from there is that after I have found the KBF August Challenge, I will click on it. Now you can see as soon as you get to the screen here, in bright green on that button is the register button. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on register, you're going to be brought to the screen here. What you'll want to do is actually click where it says missing required tickets and missing required info. Click on there so you can go in and resolve that. Once you click on there, it'll bring you to the screen here. First of all, verify the information you have up top and then input the information you need on the bottom. So you'll put in your phone number. You'll list whether or not you're a KBF member in this instance because in order to compete in a KBF event, you must be a member. I am, so I go ahead and click yes. I then put in my PayPal address, which I don't mind showing you because if you want to send me some money, that always helps with operating the channel. And after that, down the bottom, it's going to ask you if you have a current W-9 because that's required by KBF for the payout. Now, if you don't have one, that's fine. You can select no. But if you do, and you end up winning or placing for money, you will have to submit that W-9 before you're able to be paid. After that, click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, you're brought to the screen here. Verify the information is correct, plus yourself up so that you're buying one registration for yourself, and then click Continue. On this next screen, verify the information again, and then click Checkout. On this page right here, you'll select your payment type. I already have a card saved in here, so I'm going to select that option up top. If you don't have one, you can add a saved payment method, or you can do guest checkout. Here is the final screen. Verify everything is correct. Once you've done that, you'll click on the green button that says Pay Now. Now, after you do that, you have the option to share your participation in this tournament, and you'll receive multiple emails that confirm your order. In one of those emails, you'll also receive your code. But let's say for whatever reason, you didn't see the email, or you don't want to go check your email, you can still get the code here in the app. To do that, on the main tournament page, up top, you'll see up there at the very top in the yellow, it says the August identifier is ready. If you click View August Identifier, it will show you the code that you have to have on your identifier card. And that's another great note. If you're fishing a KBF tournament, you must have the KBF identifier card, and that's where you'll write this code on it. And I'll leave a link in the description to the KBF identifier card. On the other hand, if you're fishing a Legion of Anglers tournament, you need to have either our identifier card or the KBF identifier card. Now we may change that in the future, so if you're fishing a Legion of Anglers tournament, make sure you verify in the rules which identifier card is specified, and we'll have a link to it there in our tournaments. Now in this instance right here, I do have the code blurred out because if you haven't paid, you shouldn't have the code, but I promise it pops up on the screen for you. Now the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is submit a catch. Submitting a catch, you can see up top, is the fourth option down. When you click on Submit a Catch, it'll bring you to the screen here. Now, in some tournaments that are multi-species, you'll have a drop-down available where you can select the species of the fish that you're submitting. In this case, that option is grayed out because it's a snakehead tournament. So the next thing you'll do is click in the Length field, you'll input the length of the fish, and then you'll click Add Photo. When you click Add Photo, you have the option to either add the photo from your photos from your camera roll, or you can actually take a picture from within the app. Once you've done that, there are two submit buttons, one at the top, one at the bottom, and you go ahead and click submit. And folks, it's really that easy. So I've shown you three things: how to register for a tournament, how to get your identifier code, and how to submit a catch. If you still have any questions, please leave them down here in the comment section, and we'll get back to you, and if needs be, we can always do a follow-up video where we cover more subjects like this. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks much for watching, and we hope to see your name registered for these tournaments by the Legion of Anglers and by KBF. Have a good one, folks.